Salutes of some kind to the sovereign have been fired from the first days of New Westminster. These have been fired by a number of groups. We'll point out a couple of those a little later on in this part of our program. Been fired with cannons and rifles. They've also been fired with anvils. One of the names that's connected early with someone who had a small cannon is J.P. Scott. He had a little cannon all of his own, and he would fire salutes. The person who knew about some of this material to do with anvils was a blacksmith, Thomas Ovens. What you're witnessing is a serious salute. It is fired with precision in honor of the reigning monarch. The name Hayek that you see us using and the festival using is an early name in this city. It is a name from the Chinook jargon language. It was Pick Brigade. It means hurry up or quit is what it means. The groups have been very involved with the community, from May Day fire department bands, the square downtown, the police dog, the high school football teams, the festival, lots of groups. It is a name truly with a history and tradition.
Ready! Fire!
Salutes is fired for a variety of events. They are fired for Victoria Day, as we are doing today. The first one in New Westminster was fired, not with anvils, but with cannons and rifles in 1859. This is very much a Royal City tradition. It's also celebrated by other communities, but not quite like this.